You should quit right now if you don't like to sell. Let me repeat the statement. You should quit right now if you don't like to sell. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're a digital marketer, if you're promoting and selling your own courses or your own product, doesn't matter. Or even you're selling someone else's product or someone else's courses as an affiliate marketer, doesn't matter. But the important thing is that if you don't like sell, if you're not like selling something to your audience, to people, to your customers, then you should quit right now. And this is, I'm talking with my 100% sense, 100% fact. You might not like this statement, or you might hate me, or you might quit this video, doesn't matter, but this is the fact. If you don't like to sell, if you don't like to go in front of your audience and talk about your product to sell them, you should quit right now and do something else which you are liking, or you wherever you are comfortable. But don't just fall for the shiny object syndrome and just try your luck to get some sort of results in your business. So here I'm talking about how you can make amazing effective sales video which are going to give you desired results in your business, which are going to give you desired sales in your business. And here are the 7 important steps which you can create amazing video and going to help you to get those sales in your business. So let's get into one by one. What are those 7 important steps which are going to help you to create amazing effective sales video and going to give you desired results in your business? So let's get into it. First step is that you got to grab the attention of your audience, and that is extremely important. Whenever you make a video, whenever you create a video, whenever you create your sales video, you got to grab the attention of your audience. Then only your audience is going to stop on your video and they will keep on continue watch your video, and then only you will be able to get those sales. Right? So you got to grab the attention of your audience in the first statement, in the first word, in the first few seconds only in your video. Right? In this video, I talked about that you should quit if you don't like to sell. Right? That's mean I want to grab the attention of my audience. I want to grab attention. Right? And that is the purpose of this particular statement. You got to use this particular statement. You got to grab the attention in the first few seconds of your video itself. Then second step is that you got to address their problem. And once you grab the attention of your audience in your first few seconds in your video, then you got to address the problem of your audience. Understand, your audience are here watching your video. They have hundreds of options to watch video on the same platform, right? If your audience on YouTube and they keep on scrolling on video after video, they have a lot of options to watch someone else's video as well on the same topic. Then directly you got to hit the problem. Directly you got to grab the attention, and then you got to talk about that particular problem which your audience are facing. You don't need to talk about something else which their audience are not looking for. You got to directly talk about the problem which they are directly facing. Step number 3 is that you got to hammer on the pain of your audience. So once you grab the attention and then you address the problem of your audience, and then you got to hammer on the pain of your audience. See, understand, your audience are having pain, your audience are having problems. You got to highlight that problem, you got to highlight that pain all the time, right? So for example, in this video I'm talking about how you can make a sales video, that you already have a problem, that you're not able to get the sales in your business, you're not able to generate leads in your business because you're not making video, and even you're not making effective sales video. Because of that, you're not able to get the desired results, desired leads, desired conversions in your business. Right? That's mean I'm hammering the problem and the pain of yours. Right? So you got to understand it. You got to hammer on the pain of your audience, hammer on the problems of your audience. Then step number 4 is that you got to open the solution for your audience. So once you grab the attention, once you address the problem, once you hammer on the pain of your audience, you got to open the solution as well, right? You don't need to only address the problem or just highlight the problem of your audience. You got to open the solution for them as well. What exactly solution you have, they should implement in their business. What exactly they have to do. For example, in this video, I'm talking about how you can make effective sales video, which are going to give you desired results, desired sales, desired conversion in your business. Then I'm just highlighting problem. Then I'm talking about how you can create amazing sales video which is going to help you to get those desired results in your business. All right, so I'm talking about a problem and then I'm opening the solution as well. The problem is that you're not getting sales, you're not getting desired results in your business. The solution is that you got to focus on creating amazing sales video. All right, step number 5 is that introduce the solution. And what exactly the solution is your product or your services, what you're offering to your audience. Once you talk about the problem, once you hammer on the problem, once you discuss about what exactly solution can be for your audience problem, then you got to show you what exactly product which you are offering to them. You got to show what exactly services which you are offering them, and you have to understand. You don't have to just talk about the features of your product. You got to talk about the results which your audience are gonna get. We have to talk about the what exactly desired results they are going to get once they take your product, once they purchase your services. All right, so you have to talk about the end result of the services or the product which they are going to buy. Step number 6 is that you got to give a call to action. You should never forget to give a call to action. Call to action is extremely important. You got to push your audience to take that action, because your solution is 100% going to give desired results in their business. Your solution is going to 100% give those results to your audience, to your customers. So you should have that attitude. You should have that faith in you. All right. If you don't have that faith that this product is not going to work, then definitely you are not going to give that call to action very effective. All right. So your call to action has to be 100% so much effective. You should push your audience to take this action, to give a call to action. So call to action can be anything. So call to action can be, you can share them a link, or you can share them anything. You can divert them to on your sales page, and you can encourage them to take your product or buy your product. All right, so call to action is extremely important. And last, and step number 7 is that you should show some testimonial. You should show some case study. You should show some the people who already got the desired results because of your product, because of your services, right? So you should share those testimonials to your audience, to your customers, which your audience are going to make the decision on the basis of the people who have got the desired results because of your product and your services. All right, so I believe that you got some golden nuggets in this video. I want you to start following these 7 important steps in your video, in your sales video, and those sales video are going to give you desired results in your business, desired sales, desired conversion in your business. All right, so I want you to comment below that what exactly the learning you got from this video. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make you hit the subscribe button and click on that bell icon, so you will get notified for my next upcoming video on personal branding, content creation, and storytelling with the power of video. So till then, keep watching video. I will see you in the next video. Good luck.